Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're going to have a look at this drying, brush. I don't know if we can call it that way, but it's like a hair dryer combined with a comb kinda ish, or a hairbrush. And it is pretty straightforward in usage wise. You will see that here in a sec too. So basically what is happening here is just plug it in and then you can start using it just as you would expect. And yeah, it's doing a decent job. I can't really complain about that at all. And yeah, I'm satisfied, and I guess I will call it a day for it now. So I will see you around in the next video, and take care until next time. Bye bye.